Here with what's happening as far as the screen is concerned, the trade setup as he sees it. Anuj, morning and congratulations. I think yesterday you said new high and that came. Oh boy, what a market, right?
Yes, indeed, Prashant. Morning. And, the premonition worked yesterday and it looked like blue sky territory in markets at least, and in Mumbai. It might be foggy in Delhi. And you know what? The theme that I'm using for today is because it's year end, I'm in a bit of an entertainment mood, is Bahubali. The market's Bahubali is back. HDFC Bank, it's up 12% in last 1 month and very close to all-time high. Keep an eye on this stock because, normally when stocks, after 2 or 3 years of consolidation, cross their highs, they normally get into some kind of expansion mode. And if that happens, then the Bank Nifty can lead the next round of rally. It's already shown some signs of that over the last couple of days, but it could lead that rally in the January series. Nifty itself is up 650 points in last 4 days after threatening to break 21,000 last week in that correction. It's a trending series, and normally you end at the highest point of the series, so it's possible that you add another a few points on the Nifty today, even after the gap up. Now, there are 5 reasons that I'm taking for this rally. Just quickly go through them. First, of course, the most important one, this December rally, which is perhaps the best month in last 2 or 3 years, a visibility of political stability after that state election results. Expectation of soft lending and no rate cut and no recession in US, that's aiding the IT sector, of course. Expectations of rate cut back in India itself, that's helping, of course, all the banking stocks. Expectations of very strong FY25. In fact, a lot of people believe FY25 could be the best year in corporate India's history. So that's something which is helping. And of course, Nifty is still not very expensive in Indian context. Coming to today's trade, of course, then on the Nifty, we are in blue sky territory. And tell you something, the only call writing is at 21,700. After that, there's no call writing. I mean, the call writers have been butchered and battered. So 21,758 is the next level. If 21,758 is crossed, I think it could add another 100 points perhaps on the Nifty. On the Bank Nifty, 48,600 is the resistance. If you cross that, maybe even 48,700, 48,800 is possible. Now, look, this market is overbought, but you don't sell a market just because it's overbought. You let the market make the decision for you.
Anuj, who would have thought we'd be discussing market being overbought in the last 2-3 trading sessions of the year? Actually, just quick last point, if you want to add something to that. The cash market volumes, 1 lakh is not bad for this time, right? And the FII buying 3,000 crores. Who would have thought?
Forget FI buying. Look at the FI gross numbers, because day before the FI gross numbers were down to 6,000 crores. Yeah. And I thought that they would now come down even further. Yesterday the gross buying was 10,000 crore, and I couldn't spot any block deal. Even that rebalancing that you had, I don't think it would have impacted, and that in any case takes effect today. Yeah. So yes, I mean, obviously we keep talking about
holiday season, people
I think
away.
People are, what people have started doing, people have started taking their laptops and iPhones on wherever they are going. I'll just give you an example. When I was in Kashmir and I was having my breakfast, there were 2 gentlemen who came on my table and said, "Sir, aaj ke liye koi trade bata dijiye."
No, I mean, I think, as we were discussing in the morning, to misquote Winston Churchill, he said, we'll fight them on the beaches, we'll fight them on the hills.
Yes.
We'll buy from the beaches and buy
from the mountains.
I think, Anuj, thanks very much for that. We'll take a quick commercial break here. I think Deepan is, of course, still with us. We'll come back with more